Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best clamp meters, your essential guide to electrical testing tools. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Victor 615B Digital Clamp Meter. The Victor 615B stands out with its large LCD screen and versatile features. This clamp meter excels in measuring DC/AC current, voltage, frequency, and resistance, providing a 6,000 count display for detailed and precise readings. A reliable choice for professionals requiring a feature-rich tool in their electrical testing arsenal. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. 1000 AAC DC Digital Clamp Meter. This digital clamp meter combines a pinza and parametrica design with true RMS precision, enabling high-accuracy measurements of capacitance, NCV, ohms, and hertz. With a robust 1000 AAC DC current measurement capability, it is an excellent choice for demanding electrical testing tasks. At number 3. UNI-T UT210D UT210E Mini Digital Clamp Meter. Compact yet powerful, the UNI-T UT210D and UT210E Mini Clamp Meters are designed for on-the-go professionals. With a 200 AAC DC current measurement capability, these meters also function as ammeters and voltmeters, making them indispensable tools for those requiring portability without compromising accuracy. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. KAIWEETS AC/DC Digital Clamp Meter. The KAIWEETS multimeter stands out with its high precision and true RMS capabilities. Tailored for measuring capacitance, NCV, ohms, and hertz, this digital clamp meter ensures accuracy in various electrical applications, making it a reliable choice for technicians and electricians. At number 1. UNI-T UT210E Digital Clamp Meter. The UNI-T UT210E offers precision in electrical measurements, providing accurate readings for AC/DC current, voltage, resistance, and frequency. Its true RMS technology ensures reliability, while the ergonomic pliers design enhances ease of use. A versatile and essential tool for professionals in electrical testing.